Hello everyone. So today we are going to take a look at the problem number 682 of Leetcode baseball game, which is a easy level problem, and it says that you are keeping the scores for a basketball game with strange rules. At the beginning of the game, you start with an empty record. You are given a list of strings operation where operations I is the ith operation you must apply to the record is one of the following. So we will be given a list and there are going to be some operations in it, and it is also going to contain integers, but all of them are going to be in a string format. So let's see. An integer x, record a new score of x. If plus is given, then record a new score that is the sum of previous two scores. If d is given, record a new score that is the double of previous score. If c is given, invalidate the previous score, removing it from the record. Return the sum of the scores on the record. After applying all the operations, the test cases are generated such that the answer and all intermediate calculations fit in a 32-bit integer and that all operations are valid. So we just have to take care of these four operations, and if an integer is there, then we are going to add it, right? Then a plus sign is going to be there, then a d is going to be there, and then a c. So you can see that we can simply use a stack here and form a stack which contains the total sum after we have done all these operations. So we will start with defining a stack st. You can see how they are performing these operations. So 2 came, then they inserted the 2, and if c came, then they removed the last score which was 2. Then d came, then they multiplied, then they doubled the last score, and if plus came, then they added the last two scores and formed a new one. So let's see. So we are going to start with a for loop for O in operations. Then there is going to be this condition. When it is going to be plus, then we are going to check. We are going to append to the stack the -1, means the last one and the second last one, and their sum is going to get appended like we did here. So the next condition is if it is d. If it is d, then we are going to double the value of the last value in stack and append it. So stack.append the last value, and we are doubling it, and it is going to get appended right at the end of the stack or top of the stack. Next condition we have is if it is a c, then what we are going to do, we are simply going to pop off the last element that we have. So last value has been popped, now it was 5. Okay, and the final one is, and if we have taken care of all these special cases, then finally we are going to be left with integers only. So in that case we are going to append it, but make sure that you convert those to ends, because it will be easy for us to sum those up at the last. So at last we are going to just return the sum of the stack. So you can see that it is passing the test cases, and we can simply submit it, and our answer has been accepted. Thank you.